Flushing your engines is a job you should never miss. We've made it a little bit easier on Antoinette. A lot of people have picked it up in our other videos. We have some external connectors to make this job just a little bit easier. Welcome back to the Rudder. My name's Damian. Welcome aboard Antoinette. And we're just doing a very quick video on a task that you need to do every single time you go out, and that's flushing your outboards. And a few people have noticed that Antoinette's had a little bit of modification to make it a little bit easier. We have some external connectors here. What do you know? We've got two external connectors for two outboards. And these just mean that you're not climbing all over your outboard. If you have a Merry Fisher or a similar boat, you'll know that to get to the engine washer, you get in here, in between your engines. Ooh, then you go down here, if you can squeeze, and there's a connector under here. As you can see, this is perhaps not the most comfortable place to be. If you're a little bit older, it gets a little bit more difficult to get in and out of here. Ooh, that was a bit loud. And there's one on either engine. So you're doing that twice every time you want to flush your engines, which, as I said, you need to be doing every single time. We didn't actually put in this modification. It came with Antoinette when we got her. But what they've done is plumbed in a line to the flushing point. So you can see here, that's the original pipe that used to screw onto the fitting there. And it's just been connected by hose and some solid rubber pipe into this one here that runs through to the other engine. And just in behind, you've got a port there so you can get access through to run through if there's any leaks. It's all marine fitting pipe, nice and solid. And they've actually drilled a port in there so you can get your hand in there, and then two connectors out here. When we first bought Antoinette, the connectors were quite a bit smaller. It was a modification and a fitting that I just could not find in Australia. If any of the viewers know of the little one with the little tap on it, I'd love to know, because the only thing I could find is these larger ones, which are from agriculture, but they're very sturdy. So you have to have them shut, otherwise when the engines are on, water comes spurting out here. When you're ready to wash out your engines, we've got these hose link connectors which are very good, but you just connect it on. I've still got it shut. Turn it on so it's in line, and that means that the water's going to go through. Turn the water on, and as you can hear, it's going through the engine and washing it out. So with all your engine flushing, you run that through for 5-10 minutes, and it's a very simple process. You can see while you're doing that, you go around and clean up the rest of the boat and do all your other cleaning, and you're done. No climbing in between things. When you finish, turn the hose off, turn the water off, unclip, and you're done. I hope you enjoyed that very quick video on this very easy modification on the Merry Fisher 895. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time on the Rudder.